how giant?
Giant.
Ooh, how pretty.
Very pretty. Paul will see how pretty. Yeah. Anyway, so basically, guys, we're gonna get Paul is gonna give us a giant slime, and then we have to try and make it pretty, and whoever makes it prettier wins. Okay, so let's get straight on into the video. Yo. Okay, Paul, bring us our slimes, the ugly slimes.
Yeah. All right, here they are.
Ew. Why are there two?
Oh yeah, there's a twist, Ameerah. There are two slimes and they're both different.
Yeah, I'll take this one.
Yeah, this one is like stretchy, but it's really ugly. And this one, it doesn't look that bad. But the texture is ew. The texture is ew.
All right, you guys don't get to choose which one you want. So put that back in the middle right here. Yeah, put that back right here. There's gonna be a challenge to decide who gets to pick which one they want.
Okay.
All right, the challenge is you have to guess the number I'm thinking of. It's a number from 0 to 100.
0 to 1. Okay.
That's easy.
Yeah, and whoever gets closer to it gets to pick which one.
Okay, I'm ready.
I'm gonna go with 87.
I'm gonna go with 9.
9 and 87. The number I was thinking of was 0.
Yeah!
Yeah, so you get to pick which one.
Yes! No fair! I have to get this slime? Look at it! How am I supposed to make this pretty?
Yeah, I don't know.
Ew, what is this?
Stuff.
What did you do to this slime, Paul?
Oh, well, you don't want to know.
Alright, well, I can't get any ingredients first. Okay, guys, so my slime is horrible. It's brown. I don't even know how to make it a different color. I don't know if the amount, I don't think any amount of paint or food coloring could ever fix that. So you know what I'm gonna do, guys? I'm just gonna go with the flow. I'm just going to make it into a chocolate slime. So I'm gonna add some chocolate brownie scent, and then I'm gonna get some sprinkles, and then I'm gonna get some other stuff for the texture. Okay, I have all these sprinkles. Which one should I use? Maybe these ones. I think I'm gonna use these ones. Okay, and now I'm gonna add some foam soap to make it sizzly, maybe, to help it out. I don't know. And then it is also pretty rippy, so I'm gonna get some lotion or just something to soften it. Okay, guys, I got some lotion, and I'm also gonna add some of these pink hearts I found, and I think I am ready to go, guys. Hopefully, my slime does good and Paul likes it.
All right, so I got to choose my slime, and I chose the one with the blue color because it's easier to change blue, right, than brown. Even though, I mean, the consistency is not very good, but I can totally fix this with, I mean, we all know with what? Magical clay. So let me go grab that first. And I think I'm gonna need a lot of magical clay. All right, so then also I'm gonna get some shaving cream, some different colors to make it all pretty, and obviously some, so let me go grab all that. Okay, I got my shaving cream, and ooh, pink. Doesn't help. Okay, this pink right here, some blue, and some yellow. Maybe some purple too. Okay, I'm gonna take all these pinks so I can combine them and make it like a beautiful, amazing pink. And now I'm gonna grab a bunch of glitters. All right, I think I'm ready to win this round.
Okay, guys, we are back from ingredients, and Mom, you got a lot of stuff.
Yup, I'm ready to win.
Yeah. Guys, I did not realize that she would have so much stuff. I barely have anything, guys, and I don't even know how to make this pretty. I mean, look at it. I just really hope that Paul really likes my chocolate brownie slime something, guys.
All right, guys, so first I'm gonna put all my magical clay on this to make the consistency all nice, and yeah, and then it's probably gonna lighten the color, and then I'm gonna add all my different colors, and you guys will see. It's gonna be a beautiful surprise.
What is this? Paul, how did you do this?
You know.
How am I supposed to, this literally looks like a bunch of different, like, gross, ugly, dried up slimes, and you just put it into one bucket, and then you made the ultimate, ugliest, disgusting slime.
That's exactly what I did.
Seriously? Oh my gosh.
And I have all my magical clay on here, and now to mix it all. This is gonna be hard work.
Okay, I'm gonna add my lotion to try and make this a little bit stretchier. So yeah. Okay, let's add that. And let's mix it. Okay, guys, now I'm gonna add some of this chocolate brownie scent. My secret ingredient. It's gonna make this slime smell so good and so amazing. Put it into there and mix it. Oh, wait, your slime doesn't have any scent, Mom.
Maybe it does. I'm not gonna tell you.
It does?
Oh, maybe. It's a surprise. Now I'm gonna add a lot of shaving cream because I already added my magical clay and I don't have any more. I'm gonna add so much and I'm gonna make it so fluffy.
Guys, if she has scent, then I'm really gonna lose, guys. My scent is the only thing that I have that could actually make me win.
Guys, I thought I grabbed a lot of magical clay, but I needed to grab a lot more. This wasn't enough, so I don't know what to do. I'm gonna just put a bunch of shaving cream and see if that helps.
Okay, guys, now I'm gonna add some foam soap, and hopefully this gives it a better texture or something, because that's really what I need, better texture. Hope it makes it sizzly.
Okay, I think I need to put more shaving cream on this. It needs a lot.
Guys, I just came up with an idea. What if I could trick my mom into ruining her slime? Maybe I can make her put a bunch of shaving cream so that her slime turns like really rippy, and then I have a chance at winning this challenge.
Oh, I think this is totally working, guys. I'm gonna put more shaving cream.
Yeah, you should totally do that, Mom.
Right, why?
Cause it's working. It's doing very good. You should add a lot of shaving cream,
right? And
as much as you can.
And then it's gonna be so fluffy,
yeah,
right?
It's gonna be super big and
all
stuff.
right, cool. Oh, I'm so glad I brought a lot of shaving cream. Are you jealous, Ameerah?
Yes, I am so jealous.
Do you want some?
No, okay, I'm good.
Are you sure? All right.
Yeah, okay. Guys, I think it's working. I just hope that she adds way too much that her slime like really becomes bad, and then maybe I can win.
All right, I'm gonna put the next bottle now.
Hey, Mom, I have a challenge idea. How about this? How about we have a little mini challenge? Let's see who can add more lotion. Or like see who can add more something. I'll add more lotion. You add more shaving cream.
All right, go. 1, 2, 3, go. I'm totally winning, Ameerah.
Yeah.
Look at this. Wait, maybe I shouldn't add this much shaving cream. Maybe I should mix it now.
Wait, no, but then you're gonna lose.
Well, are you gonna keep putting more?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Yeah, you're totally winning, Mom.
Yeah. Wait, I don't have any more.
What? What do you mean you have any more? What, you want me to go get you some more?
It's a challenge, Ameerah. You can't do that.
So that's all the shaving cream you have?
Let me see. Maybe I have more right here. Ooh,
I'm winning! Yeah, you're winning, yeah!
That's a lot of shaving cream.
Yeah, you totally won that challenge.
Yeah, I know, right? I mean, we all know that I always win. Okay, now to mix it. Guys, I think I put a little bit too much shaving cream on this. Now it's all rippy. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna try and take Ameerah's lotion. I think that should fix it. And maybe I can take some of her chocolate scent too.
Mom, my slime is doing so good.
Is it? Ooh,
It has such a good texture. I'm totally gonna win.
Can I feel it? It feels really good. Excuse me!
Hey, Mom, no! Dude,
Oh,
you cheated! That's my lotion. You can't do that.
It just fell on here, Ameerah.
Okay, well, if you get my lotion, did I get one of your paints?
No, that's my paint. Excuse you, that's cheating, Ameerah.
You just cheated!
I didn't. Your lotion fell over here
No,
when I was filling your slime.
I saw you take it and then you squished it into your slime.
I think you need glasses. You didn't see right. Now, let me finish my beautiful slime.
Cheater.
I'm not a cheater.
Okay, well, I'm gonna start putting my slime together now, and I'm gonna take care of my stuff before she tries to steal something else. Okay, so I'm gonna make it into a nice little heart. It's gonna be a little brownie heart. Okay, now I'm gonna add some hearts into my heart. There we go.
Okay, I think it feels a lot better now. Might need a little bit more lotion, but for now, I think it's good. Now I'm gonna separate it into 4.
You better feel good. You stole my lotion.
Your lotion
Wait,
fell
no,
on
it
my
better not
slime.
feel good.
Your lotion fell on my slime.
No,
That's
it didn't.
different. All right, so I'm gonna start making all my different colors now. Pink. Oh, the pink one, I'm gonna mix it with this pink to make a better pink. Now let's mix this beautiful purple. This looks nice. All right, well.
Mom, could you hurry? My heart is falling apart.
I'm done. My colors came out beautiful. Yeah, totally.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, so I'm making my swirls.
Okay, I'm gonna add my sprinkles to my heart, and then I will finally be done, and then I'm gonna win. Oh, yes, it looks beautiful. The sprinkles are really adding the final touch.
I don't like this. Okay, I have an idea. All right, these two colors are the same, I'm gonna put them together. Here you go.
Alright, I am all done with my beautiful brownie heart. It's kind of a little melted though, but it looks beautiful, right?
Mine's gonna be a lot better than yours.
What are you making, Mom?
It's a beautiful cake.
It looks like a cake that the Grinch made, or Shrek.
No, I
Or
made it.
maybe Shrek and Barney, and then Smurf.
It's Smirk. You're just jealous because I have more colors than you.
No, I'm not. I have plenty of colors. Look at that.
And look at that, how pretty.
Alright, well, Paul, can you judge our slimes? Because mine's gonna fall apart.
Alright, I'll judge yours first.
Alright, so here is my beautiful.
Yeah, leave best one for last.
Yeah, okay. Look at my beautiful heart brownie.
Alright, this is what I gave you, and this is what you made.
Yeah, it looks great, right?
It looks good. But you didn't really change the color.
Yes, I did. It's more...
And what is this right here?
That is some slime that came out of the ceiling, and I don't even know where it came from. Just hit me right on the head.
Oh, okay. Yeah, because you're supposed to fix your whole slime.
Yeah, I know that.
This is not the old slime?
Nope, that's slime that came out of the ceiling and hit me in the head.
Okay. Alright, well, let's touch this. Let's poke this.
It did? I didn't see anything coming out of the ceiling and hitting
Well,
you.
yeah, probably because you were busy cheating.
Oh, yeah, I don't cheat. I don't know what you're talking about.
This is really good slime.
I know, right? It's got nice sprinkles. Ooh, smell it, smell it.
Ooh, can I eat it?
Just like chocolate.
Can
No,
I-
no, you can't eat it because it's slime. That would be bad.
Mmm, looks so good though. Mmm, it smells like chocolate.
Mm-hmm.
You do ASMR?
Yeah, of course. Great, right?
It is actually pretty nice.
Thank
but
you.
I'm disappointed that you did not change the color.
Well,
And
you
it
didn't
looks a
give
little
me-
smaller than what I gave you.
I changed the color.
Alright, are you done?
Yep.
Alright, let's take a look at yours. Whoa!
How did you even do that?
Oh, this is what I gave you. That's what you
I
made.
made.
Wow.
It just looked like a pile of Barney poop. It's not gonna go.
Huh?
It looks
What are you
amazing.
talking about, Ameerah?
Let me want to poke this. This is pretty nice.
And the colors are so beautiful, right?
I like him. I like the
too.
colors. And you got some green in there. I didn't give you green. That's pretty cool. And it's not that rough. I mean, it's a little... I mean, it's not too bad on the texture. It's pretty good.
It's pretty good, yeah.
I would have added some lotion to this though.
Yeah,
Okay, well, anyways, this is pretty good. Can you do some ASMR?
sure. Look at how nice it is. Look at that.
Yeah, and it is pretty
but
big.
does it smell like chocolate brownies?
No.
Doesn't smell like chocolate
But
brownies.
it's huge. It's
That is true.
Hers
It is
is
even
small.
bigger than the
Mine
one
can
I
be
gave
huge
you.
too. It just deflated. I just need to inflate it.
Yours looks tiny. Yours
It's
is like an
not
8-ounce
tiny at
slime
all,
compared to
right?
hers.
It's
look at
just
mine how big it is.
Alright, I think I've made my decision.
look how big it is.
That one's huge. Alright, I think I made my decision. The winner for this challenge
It's
is...
like chocolate.
It's considering the size, the scent, the color, the display, and everything. And the winner for that is... Jenna.
Yes! It was an unfair competition. You got a blue slime and I got a brown slime. How am I supposed to fix that?
I don't know, Ameerah. You're the slime queen here. I'm just a cheating queen. Wait.
So you are a cheater.
I'm just a queen.
No, you're a cheating queen.
I'm
Anyways, guys, comment down below if you guys thought that she should have won. I think I should have won. Mine was way better. I think it was more creative. It was a chocolate brownie. I think it was very good. Anyways, guys, that is it. Love you so much. I really, really hope I see you guys next time. Bye.